Crave the taste that you back and forth, guys. You got to stay tuned for this. This coffee is magnificent. It's fantastic. We're located. This is Collegedale, is this right? This is Collegedale, Tennessee. It's right off Apison Pike. You can't miss it. This gentleman, he makes his own coffee. He's got his own machine here, and we've had it. It's fantastic. What's your name, sir?
Carol Jordan.
I'm Tim. Nice to meet you, sir. Won't you tell me something about your contraption here? What exactly you got going on?
Well, this is a 2-kilo Mill City roaster. It's manufactured in China, but they build them, they put them together in the Minneapolis area. And it roasts 2 kilos of coffee at a time. And I primarily roast 2 different types of coffee, both from the same region of Columbia. I roast them pretty much the same way. I have 2 types, the bold and the regular, or the less bold. And the only difference in them really is that the bold is a single bean from a single farm, and the regular is a different bean, but it's from several different farms in the same region, and it's called Regional Select. So I roasted both the same way, and I roasted these earlier this afternoon, and they're cooling now. But when I roast them, I don't know if you can see that, but I take them out of the roaster just like this, so that there's some that are lighter than the others. Like this is a light brown.
Right.
And when you break one of these beans open like that, and you smell that, that has a chocolate caramel flavor to it, or aroma.
I can smell it from here.
And then the darker ones like this, you would think, well, those are burnt, but they're not. When you smell that, that has a nutty, spicy trace to it. And those ground together make a wonderful cup of coffee. And so I roast both of them the same way, so I have the same consistency of light and dark beans, but primarily the darker, primarily more darker than light. And that gives the coffee what I believe is a better balance, so you get the full flavor of the coffee, but without the bad aftertaste that sometimes go along with it. But anyway, that's my process, and that's how I do it. This is my only place of business. I don't have a store. If I had a store, I'd have to go to work every day.
So how do you get your beans?
I buy them from an importer, also in the Minneapolis area. Cafe Imports is where I buy them. And I buy them, a 70-kilo bag at a time, 150, 160 pounds at a time. And I usually buy 2 bags at a time. And they come in, and then I break them down into 2-kilo packages and Ziploc bags. And then I keep them and roast them as I need them.
So you're here every Sunday?
Every Sunday. Yep. Most every Sunday. I still go to a few arts and craft shows, especially this time of the year, getting into the fall. And most every Sunday, I'm here, and I have a Facebook page that I put out where I'm going to be every week.
And what times are you here? Between what time?
I usually get here about 7:30 or 8 o'clock in the morning on Sunday. It takes me a little while to get set up, a little while to warm up my machine before I roast any coffee. I try to roast what I'm going to sell that particular day. A lot of the coffee experts say that you need to roast your coffee and let it sit for a day to degas. I'm not that much of a coffee expert to be able to taste any difference in that degas coffee versus.
Right.
So I think that by roasting what I need to sell for my customers on the day that they buy it is about as good as you can.
So how long does it take to roast these beans?
Well, it takes me about a half an hour to warm up my machine. I warm it up really slow. It takes me about a half an hour to warm it up, sometimes 45 minutes. And then once I drop the beans, I'll take the temperature up to about 45. And then once I drop the beans, it takes me about 12 to 14 minutes to roast the coffee. In other words, if I do the first roast, it'll take a little longer because the machine is not completely heated through and through because the beans are not in there. And then the second roast will go a little bit faster, 12 to 13 minutes is what. Because I don't normally cool it down between the roast.
Right.
It's only roast, 8 or 10 pounds a day, period. That's all the roast. I do all my roasting at one time and let it go from that. What really makes the difference though is in that last few seconds. A second makes a huge amount of difference in the roast itself. So when I'm getting down to the last, these beans will be in here tumbling. When I'm getting down to the last 45 seconds, I'll take this out in the dryer and and I'll start looking at them because the difference between the dark and the light beans. And then the last thing that I look for is the aroma. There's a distinct aroma that I look for during the roasting process. And once I hit that, I drop them and start cooling them.
Hey guys, once again, make sure you like us, subscribe to us, ring the bell. We're also on Instagram, Facebook, Crave the Taste. And this gentleman right here has got the best coffee in Chattanooga. You got to try it out. It's here in Collegedale off Apison Pike. You can't miss it. And I just want to tell you thank you for talking to us. I really appreciate that. And I think what we're going to do is just to walk a perimeter around your place and let the people see exactly what your little setup looks like. We love vendors, and this is a magnificent little setup you got here. And we really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Crave the Taste. Make sure you like us, subscribe to us, and ring the bell. This is what makes us come out here to do these videos. We really appreciate it, guys. Stay tuned next time.
Are you on Facebook or what?
I am. I'm on Facebook.